Here I have another book that I've added to my personal library. This is another book by Jeff Abbott called Inside Man. I think that all the books by Jeff Abbott that have this kind of diagonal font in the title follow Sam, who is a ex-CIA agent getting out of the game. And Sam's main goal now that he's done, is he just wants a quiet life where he can raise his infant son and be around the people he loves. Sam's past always seems to be catching up with him, and his friend Steve becomes victim of a crime and sadly passes away. And now Sam wants to find out who did this to his friend Steve, who has been one of his best friends. Why did they do it, and what can Sam do to bring these guys down? As nobody knows what happened, there have been no traces as to who committed the crime against Steve, so Sam puts matters into his own hands and gets on the case. This is a very intense book. It is about 380 pages. I have the hardcover version here, which has larger text size and a lot of breaks between paragraphs, making it very enjoyable and easy to read on my weak eyes. So if you also have weak eyes, don't worry, just check out the hardcover version. The text is bigger than the paperback, in my opinion. So I'm very happy to have this in my personal library. I read it in about 3 days as an avid reader. If you're a fan of Jeff Abbott and ex-CIA officer Sam, check it out. I'm enjoying it a lot. If you're interested in checking out this book, please feel free to check down the links below, as I have a link there to help you find it. As an Amazon affiliate, I may receive commissions for purchases from these links. Thanks for supporting.